How to use BnkPro app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume BnkPro is just a simple banking app, but the surprising truth is beginners often miss key features that optimize cash flow, savings, and investment tracking. Here's how to use it properly. BnkPro combines banking, budgeting, and investment tracking in one app. The first mistake is not linking all financial accounts. Partial data results in inaccurate insights and poor decisions. The second mistake is ignoring budgeting tools. BnkPro provides expense tracking, categorization, and cash flow analysis. Failing to use these features leads to overspending and missed savings opportunities. Another error is neglecting investment tracking. The app lets you monitor portfolios alongside bank accounts. Beginners often forget to input holdings, which reduces visibility and planning accuracy. Beginners may also overlook alerts and title start. How to use KidBrook advisory app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Title end. Script start. How to use KidBrook advisory app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think using KidBrook advisory is as simple as signing up and picking a portfolio, but the surprising truth is beginners often make mistakes that can seriously limit their investment growth. Let's go through how to avoid them. KidBrook advisory focuses on personalized investment strategies, combining automated portfolios with professional advice. The first mistake beginners make is not fully completing their risk profile. Your portfolio recommendation is based on your answers, so underestimating or overestimating your risk tolerance can result in investments that don't match your goals. Be honest and detailed. The second mistake is ignoring recurring contributions. KidBrook allows you to automate deposits, and missing this feature means missing out on the power of compounding. Even small, regular contributions can grow significantly over time. Another common error is failing to diversify properly. Some users concentrate too heavily on a single asset class, thinking it will deliver faster returns. Spreading investments across stocks, bonds, and ETFs reduces risk while keeping your portfolio balanced. Beginners also often overlook fees. While KidBrook is competitive, management fees and transaction costs still apply. Understanding these upfront prevents surprises and helps set realistic return expectations. Finally, many users fail to monitor their portfolio. Markets fluctuate, and occasional rebalancing ensures your investments stay aligned with your goals. KidBrook provides insights and alerts. Ignoring them can reduce potential growth. Used correctly, KidBrook advisory is more than an app. It's a tool for disciplined, strategic investing. Complete your risk profile carefully. Automate contributions, diversify smartly, understand fees, and review performance regularly. Avoiding these beginner mistakes will help you maximize growth while keeping risk under control.